Okay, so what is up guys? I'm back for another YouTube video and today we're gonna be showing part 2 of bugs and glitches in Brawl Stars. Let me go into a friendly game first. Okay, first what you have to do is go to Poco. You know Poco? Obviously you all know. Select this one. When Poco's attack hits the friendly brawlers, they now heal for 700 health. And then you do the glitch that I did in last video. Select fast and then click on ready like this, okay? Now look at this glitch. It's one of the best glitches that I know. Look. Just glitch. I'm killing my own teammates, you know. Bye. Yeet. Yeet. I just yeeted you people. And it also charges up my super. Are you just kidding me? Bye bye. I'm gonna spread them in different places and give myself that. Why am I losing? Even when I can kill. Oh yeah, because I'm killing my teammates. Bye. Charging, still letting me charge. Okay, so that's one thing. Okay, we keep playing some with. We're not really playing some matches with people. We can invite whoever wants to play with you. We're not really playing specific rampage. My screen is lag. My screen is lag. I'm just gonna reload. I guess no video today. I guess that's it for today's video. I know it's a really short video, but like it was only for show and not really for anything. So yeah. That's it for today's video. Hope you have a nice day and I'm out. Give me a video! Okay, I don't care. Bye. And I'm out. Peace!